Brian back here with another Doge update here. We are peeking out of this wedge. Is this it? Is this the time this thing starts ripping here? Okay, we've been in this wedge since December. Wow, it's been a while. The whole way down here. This is on the weekly chart, alright? So it's been a long downtrend. You can see here, it's just, boy, since the end of the bull run, it has just been miserable. Down, down, down. We have reached the bottom down here. You can absolutely see that coming in here. You could call, geez, even a double bottom down there. A lot of bullish stuff happening here. I know you might not think it at the time or whatever. And I know how miserable it is right now, but get ready. Don't be caught off guard here. I'm telling you. Okay, it looks like Bitcoin's getting ready to do its thing. We're going to take a quick look at that, and then we're going to come back here and zoom in on this. All right. But we got to look at Bitcoin because we all know Bitcoin runs the show here. But I got some really exciting stuff to show you with that too. This is on the weekly chart. You can see this thing is obviously following this trend line up. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Got just a higher high out of here. Obviously, as long as we don't go below here, we have a higher low. And I don't even think it's going to come down there. We go on the daily chart here. Alright, you can see did have a trend line right here that it ended up breaking, but it's been consolidating right in this range, you know, 31.5 to 29.5, just going sideways ever since this breakout. Okay, it's still pretty far away from the trend line here. Now normally you would get a 618 pullback. Alright, if we go from the bottom to the top, alright, normally you get a pullback down in this range down at 28,341, I believe that says, something like that right down here. But this thing's showing so much, it hasn't even pulled back there. Okay, and if you look at the daily RSI, where's that? Reset and ready to go. The pull down, the top of the RSI was there. All it did was go sideways. It didn't pull down at all. You know, like over, you can go through any of these. This top of the RSI right here, follow my line, pulled right down. Top of this one here, pulled right down. Alright, the top of this one, sideways, just sideways through there. So Bitcoin's showing some strength here. It needs to flip that 31,550 into support. We got the daily RSI at the bottom. We got the weekly bullish at the bottom. We got the monthly bullish, alright, heading to the top. This has only happened 4 times with Bitcoin. I'm going to show you this real quick because this ought to get you excited. This top was the 2017 bull run. This top of the RSI was the 2019 retrace. This one was the 2021 bull run, and I believe this one is the 2023 retrace. We're heading for 48,000 bucks. All right, that'll get us our retrace, and I believe then we're going to get up there. Then we're going to come down and consolidate. Next spring we have the Bitcoin halving, and then I believe next fall we're going to start our bull run. I believe that's what I believe. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, guys, but that'll get us a retrace with a lot of our altcoins. So they're all set up. But we got that monthly, weekly, daily. We got the 12 on the floor. Look at it right down there, ready to go. Got the 8-hour just starting up. Alright, we got the 4s at the top there, but the 8, the 12, the daily, the weekly, and the monthly are all bullish and heading up. So be ready for a move out of Bitcoin. Can't tell you when. Wish I had a crystal ball and I could tell you, but all I can tell you is it looks ready to go. And be ready for this thing, alright? It has a clear shot up to 36,000. There's really no resistance in here. There is some right there at 35, but that shot right up to 35 or 36 as soon as it flips at 31,550. Alright, so let's head back over there to Doge. And if you guys are interested, I got some great stuff. The description of the video, crypto apparel. Look at this stuff. We got Bitcoin shoes. Look at here too. They carry Dogecoin stuff. Click on the Dogecoin clothing. You know, thank you. I just started this yesterday. Some people bought $240 worth of stuff. Thank you very, very much. I get a little tiny chunk of the profits. I teamed up with this company. I ordered a t-shirt and a hat off them. Nice stuff. So, oh wow. Yeah, look at the Dogecoin stuff here. That's a nice hat. 22 bucks. You know, the Dogecoin 3D logo short sleeve shirt, 14 bucks. Samsung case. Oh, nice. Beady cap. When I hit on it, it turned red, I believe. Yeah. Oh yeah, it turned gray. Cool. That's pretty nice. Phone covers. Dogecoin logo champion dad cap. Shorts. Check this stuff out. Drawstring bag. Hoodie. Nice and affordable stuff too. Dogecoin pillow. Yeah, so if you're a huge Dogecoin lover, go check it out. There are the links in the description of the video, and I would appreciate it very, very much. Got some nice stuff over there, right? So let's get back to this chart, because it looks like we possibly have a breakout happening here. All right, we have our monthly RSI at 24 and 28 right down here, just trying to flip over. You can see we had that bearish flip right there, but this thing, put it on the weekly. Look at that, heading right up. Okay, so that looks perfect. We're just peeking out of here. We're gonna zoom in closer here. Please hit the like and subscribe too, guys. The daily is heading up. All right, this should be just pulled down just a hair more. All right, there we go. That looks about right. Let's get back out in the weekly. I want this line perfect. All right, it could go out just a hair. There we go. Let's lock that up. Alright. We got the weekly coming up. We got the daily turning up. We got the 12-hour turning up. Alright. We're just outside of that thing. We got the 8-hour turning up. And the 4-hour is bullish. Okay. So if we go on the daily, the breakout, let's go to the weekly actually and see where these support and resistance areas are. Wow. There's a major one right there. And we're on it right there. We need to break that 0.07027. That one there is the one that's gonna get us going out of here. Okay, we have a major resistance right there. Major major support zone. Perfect right there. You can see right there it was support. And once we get that, if we get that breakout from there, there's your next resistance area right there. Okay, so you can see where we are. We had a fake out up here. All right, we have poked our head out of there, so be ready, because when Bitcoin moves, this thing's gonna start ripping. The measured move of this, just the wedge itself. All right, if we take an info line, all right, bring it over here and put it on a breakout. That should get us up to 11 cents. Okay, so that's almost it's about a 2x. All right, so that would be your first move out of there. That would be exactly, whoops, I didn't hit that right. Sorry about that, guys. I want to get that right on there. There we go. That'd be a 60% move. Not too bad. All right, so be ready. This thing looks ready to go. As soon as Bitcoin breaks, this thing is going to start flying fast. All right, the risk to reward on this, if you like longing and shorting, I have a MEXC link in the description of the video. Go over there. I use it daily, and if you long and short the market, this might be a decent one to get into. Not financial advice at all. I don't give that. Please look into that stuff yourself and just to get a qualified person. But yeah, I love trading. All right, guys, thank you so much. I'll get back to you soon. Hopefully next time we'll be talking about a breakout, where we're at. Have a great night.